Mr.Implosion.inc here. Today I'm going to be playing some World of Warships. And yeah, I just kind of thought I should play another game on my channel. I just got this game recently. Well, downloaded it. And yeah, I'm not that good at it. But I'm not that bad. So I should be joining a game soon. If it loads. Okay. Okay, so in this game, you're in a ship, shoot people, you don't shoot your teammates, and you capture the areas. So, yeah. Right here I have a tier 2 ship, I think this is. I know it's like level 2 or tier 2. I'm pretty sure it's tier 2. And yeah. So 2, 1, and okay, now we can get moving. Okay then. So, yeah, now I'm gonna go across the map with my team, and attack the other peoples. This should be approaching from over that way on the horizon, but I don't see anyone yet. Okay. Still don't see anyone. Okay. This is taking longer than I expected. Than it feels like it normally does. Did you look at that? Okay, now where are they? Probably right over there. Okay, so I can't go up, I can't scroll up my screen any further, so I'm gonna have to wait for them to get in range. So I'm gonna wait for them to get in range. Where are the other people? Okay, I'm just gonna keep firing at this one for now. With HE rounds right now. I'm gonna switch over to AP. Okay. Coming in range. I hit him. I hit him once. Nope, they're gonna go behind the islands now, aren't they? Oh, hello there. And they're gone. And they're gone. Okay, so currently, we have captured one area. Enemy team has captured one area. And they're capturing the third area. We have A, they have B, they're capturing C. Okay. Okay, where are they? Oh, wait, no, that's my teammate. Don't want to shoot at them. Still can't see them. Oh, over here. So I'm gonna shoot at these guys. Or this person. Hopefully I'll hit. Ooh. 69-3. 693. Okay. Okay. Pew pew. Pew. Pew 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 pew. Oh, person. Oh, oh my, oh my. Oh my. Oh my. I'm dying. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. This didn't turn out as planned. Uh-oh. Oh no, I'm not hitting them. That's not good. Ooh, I got him. Teammates? Oh, over there. I'm currently not doing too good. I'm practically dead. So, I'm just gonna kind of sit here, I guess. And hopefully not die. Oh, they're not moving. That's... Oops. Wait, they are moving? What? Oh, I'm dead. Okay. So now I'm gonna spectate. Ooh, we have captured A and B. Okay. So, this is an island. This is the map. This is an enemy. Okay, I'm just gonna use this person. Whoa, look at that shot I just made. I just destroyed them. I'm so good at this game. Obviously. I'm obviously not spectating this person. Oh no. They're getting shot at. Pew pew. Fire them. Fire at them. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew them. I must pew pew them. And destroy them so they are destroyed and dead. Because they have been pew pewed. Well, it's 3-on-3 right now. 3 people left. 3 players left on on each side. So yeah. This guy is... Oh, they're dead. They're almost dead. Y'all dead! Leprechaun. You're dead as the leprechaun that I ate for breakfast. Yeah. I eat leprechauns. Yum. I don't even know what I'm doing. What I'm saying. I'm just spitting out words. Yeah. Okay. Can you please die? You and your other person, can you please die? So, because I don't really want to spectate anymore. Oh, wait. Did you die? Oh, you died. Good job. Wait, did you die or did I just lose you? Yep, they're dead. Okay, so there's a person over here. Over here. Oh, over. Over. Okay. Hello there. Can you please die? Hide. What? What? Okay. Okay, then you're probably confused as I am. Because I'm pretty confused. Hello there! Don't die. If you had eyes, I would look them straight into them. Don't die. Are you not dead? Good, you're not dead. Okay, then you're fine. Ooh, we have taken a lead. That's good. Ooh, there's a fog. A fog of war. No. So, it says there's 2 people. but either I'm blind or there's one person. I'm probably blind. Oh, there is another person right there. Oh, you're just about dead. Get pew-pewed. Get pew-pewed. Oh man, so close. Come on, kill this guy. Kill this guy. Pew-pew him. Oh man, so close. Can you die? Please? Yeah, they're both kind of about dead. Oh no, enemy team cappering Area A thing. Oh no, I'm gonna hide in this corner. Leprechaun. Uh-oh, that's not good. Oh, hello there. Hello there, my teammate. So we can just kind of watch the battle go from above. Happen from above. From above. So, yeah. Yeah. Oh, they're still about dead. This person's still close to dead, but still not dead. Are you dead yet? Nope. Are you dead? No. Why aren't you shooting at the person closer to you? Like, seriously, grow some brain cells. Yeah, oh, no. Shoot towards them. You're literally, like, right on top of them, basically. But you're not. Oh, okay. Oh, they died. That one person died. Hey, person. Are you dead? Okay, you're not dead. Okay, we're gonna lose. This is boring, to say the least. I don't like you. I don't like you. No, I don't like you. No. I want to escape. Escape. I want to be free. I want to be a real boy. I shall become Pinocchio. I want to become a real boy. Please, let me be. I'm a real boy. I'm a real boy. Now I will fly away to freedom. Freedom. One problem. Freedom has invisible walls. Oh, there's an island. Can I eat this? It looks like a chocolate chip cookie. Oh my gosh. The invisible wall is not so invisible anymore. I can see your border. Oh my gosh, I'm outside the invisible wall. Wait, is that actually even the wall? I don't know if that is actually even the wall. The invisible wall. I think it is. Yep, it is. Ta-da. Okay, let's see what's happening. Okay, torpedoes. Yo, dude. Oh, you're gonna die. Oh, come on, die. Die already. All I want you to do is die. Oh, yes, they died. Haha, someone died. Okay, who won? Oh, we lost. Okay. So that's gonna be all. Like and subscribe, Mr. Implosion.inc, and have a good day. Good morning and good night.